Hi, my name is Padmaksh Behel, and on behalf of Zrix team, today we are at Bestech Parkview Grand Spa project, and today we are going to review penthouse which is of 4807 square feet. Let's go inside the penthouse. Please come along with me. So this is the walkway of the penthouse. Come along with me. So here is the living and dining area separated by this beautiful facade, and here is the minibar made by the client. You can have a look. It is a very much spacious and lavish penthouse. So in this plush penthouse we are also offering you the air cons and each and every electrical fitting and the fixtures. Come along with me to the dining area. So this is your dining area. Easily you can accommodate up to 8 guests. Moving towards the balcony. So it is a very spacious balcony where we have designed a sit-out space and an open area where you can exercise or use it as a kids play area. You can customize it as per your own preference. There is a splendid view of central greens. Moving towards the kitchen. So this is a modular kitchen, and we are providing you with all the electrical fittings and fixtures, and you are getting each and everything, that is hob, chimney, sink and all the electrical appliances with the kitchen as a standard offering. So we have used this pantry area as a space for refrigerator, but you can also use it as per your own preference, whether you want to have extra storage space or anything according to your own requirement. Now proceeding towards the utility area connected with the kitchen. You can utilize it as a washing area or any area as per your requirement related to utility work. Proceeding further. So now moving towards the powder room. Walk through the walkway. Here is our powder room. So here is the toilet seat and vanity. Moving towards the guest bedroom. Please come along with me. So we have provided wooden flooring in all the bedrooms, and this bedroom also faces a grand balcony which gives you the view of central greens. Also we are providing with you the LG air cons and other premium luxury fittings, and all the fittings which you are seeing in this video are a part of standard offering. Now moving towards the attached washroom. Here is the vanity area, here is the shower cubicle and the toilet seat, and in the washroom area we have provided the ceramic anti-skid tiles. So now moving towards the balcony. So this is the balcony where you can design a small sit-out space or you can use it for any other purpose. So as we walk through this beautiful walkway, now we will go from the stairs to the rooms which are on the first floor of this massive penthouse. So this is the first floor of the penthouse, and here is a small lobby area, and here is our puja room, a mini office, but you can also customize it as per your own preference. Please have a look. As we have designed it as an office, we have also provided you with a small kitchen, so you can have your eateries and you can do work from home without getting any disturbance. Now here is the attached balcony. So this is the running balcony which is connected with the bedroom, and it is a very spacious balcony. Now moving towards the second bedroom. So again here is a quite spacious bedroom which has a great accessibility on both the sides, as you can see. Even this bedroom is also connected with the attached balcony. Moving towards the balcony, it is a quite wide and spacious balcony, and it is a sort of a private balcony attached with this room. Moving ahead towards the washroom. So here is the washroom. Here is the beautiful vanity and your toilet seat and the shower cubicle. Now moving towards the master bedroom area. So this is a connected living room with master bedroom. So here also we are providing you with the wooden flooring and the false ceiling work. So now moving towards the balcony which is connected with lounge and the master bedroom. So here is the spacious balcony, and you can design it as per your own preference. It is a quite spacious balcony, and you can also develop it as a green zone by planting more and more plants and using as per your own convenience. Now moving towards the master bedroom. Now we can see that the space is quite accessible. And now moving towards the attached balcony with this room. So this is the same balcony which is connected with the living room. Moving ahead, as you can see, this is the massive wardrobe, half of which is in the bedroom and half of which is in the washroom. Please have a look. This is the his and her vanity area, toilet seat, shower cubicle and king bathtub. All the fittings used here are of premium brands. Now moving towards the fourth bedroom of this apartment. So this is again a very spacious room which has a great accessibility, as you can see, and here is again an attached balcony. You can have a look. So this was the same balcony which is connected with the office area. You can use as per your own preference. Now moving towards the attached washroom. So in this washroom too, we have provided you with the dressing area and the wardrobes. Please have a look. These are very spacious wardrobes. Here is the vanity area, toilet seat and the shower cubicle. Now moving towards the terrace. Here is the staircase, and the staircase have chamfered edges and an elegant design, and the partition is connected with a glass. Now here is the terrace area. Here is an open space in the terrace area and you can utilize it as a gazebo, which is a very good fit for this area. Now this is the utility room and you can use it as per your own preference, and if you require something, you don't need to go down, you can get it from here itself. Here is the entry for a private swimming pool. We have a great bird's eye view from this area. We can see the clubhouse, the water body and the whole project. So here is a toilet for your convenience. Hope you like the tour of this ultra luxurious penthouse, and if you have any queries, please feel free to contact us. And for more such videos, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.